Okay, I'm going to show how to do or how to load in a custom NFT so you can play this NFT Clicker Game. So when you first reach the page, it'll load up here and you'll see the high scores right away. You can either hit escape or press this X to exit out of here. And then what you'll want to do is log in. You'll have to have your MetaMask account connected to the site. If it's your first time, it'll show a message or a 1 here. You'll just have to click on that to confirm. Otherwise, if you don't have MetaMask account, you can just hit skip and play with the default community no account. But your high scores won't save. It'll be overwritten with other people that are playing with the no account. So it's best just to log in so you can save your own high scores. So click log in. And then for a custom, you'll click the custom drop down. Enter a token ID. Let's just choose, like, for example, 55. Let's scroll down to, let's say, larval ads. Now when you first click it, it'll take a while to load. And then just click it again just to confirm the load. You'll see that the default image disappears. Then you'll see the metadata over here on the side. And the image is really small. I don't know if you can see that little tiny speck there. Just because it is an image that's on chain. So I'll need to zoom in by using the game size square, changing the scale speed to 100, and then pressing I and holding it down until it fits the square. Right about there. And if you own this token, then you can then start the game and start playing with this token. But since I do not own any larval ads, it will show the default zoomed in really big in the background here. So that's what will happen if you don't own the token and you zoomed in. Otherwise, you'll have to do something like this. I own my fancy frogs. Let's do 69 here. So I own this one. I'll size this one to fit in the square. Okay. Then when you start game, if it shows the default when you start the game, just reset it again, reload, and then start game again, and then it should load in. That's only because it takes a while for the data to update, because all the data is being pulled from wherever your NFT resides. So sometimes it takes a little bit for it to load in properly, but then you can just start playing with your own NFTs. And say, like, if you wanted to use a different token, you can just reset it, choose a different one. And as long as you don't change the size again, it should stay the same size for each one that you pick. Alright, that's it. Have fun.